morning student. Today we are going to see 8th standard English Prose Unit 5. The lesson name is Being Safe. So in this lesson, the friends of Prasanth are called Sundar, Ravi, Peter, Jafar, Mani and Gandhi. Now here the Prasanth was the main role of this lesson, and not only that, his grandfather also, grandparents also. So the Prasanth lives in the village, and now he is in one of that, and now he is living in Tiruchirappalli. Now in the Tiruchirappalli, and he is always used to visit his grandparents' village. The name is called Nagathi. The river island in Tanjavur district. The river was flowing, and so that it was flowing in this village Nagathi. So all the places in the evergreen and landscapes also was very fertile, and always he used to play with his friends whenever he comes to his grandparents' village. And Prasanth was always used to come to his grandparents' village. And hearing this summer also, Prasanth came to his grandfather home, and hearing that all the friends all came to his grandparents' home in the village of Nagathi. And not only that, his grandfather was retired central government officer, and now he knows everything because he travelled all the places. He knows everything what are all happening in Arundat. His knowledge always amuses everyone. And now in this section, and now what is that? His grandparents, grandfather, grandpa, and now this lesson is about the conversation how we have to be safe in the road, not only in the road, and how to keep the safety things in our home, how to keep safely in the dangerous things in our home. All these things we come to know in this lesson. There are 3 sections in this lesson, prose lesson, being safe. One is section 1. See here, before going into this lesson, we will see the section 1 glossary. One is bifurcates. The meaning of bifurcates is divide into 2 separate parts. Next one, amuses. The grandpa's knowledge was amuses everyone. What is amuses? To make someone laugh or smile. And next one, occasion. Occasion, you know what is the occasion? Holiday, leave. And next, 4th one, marriages. What is the meaning for marriages? Join together. Now in the section 1, the Prasanth friends Sundar, Ravi, Peter, Jafar, Mani and Gandhi all are keen on hearing the voice, on hearing that the Prasanth came to his grandpa's house. So here that this is a conversation between the Prasanth, grandpa and all the friends of Prasanth. First one, Sundar was telling, "Good afternoon grandpa, where is Prasanth?" And now for that, grandpa was asking, "Good afternoon children." So all the friends came to grandpa's parents on seeing the Prasanth, because Prasanth during this summer occasion, he came to his Prasanth. So all the friends came to meet him, and now greeting to his grandpa, Sundar was saying, "Ravi," the other friend Ravi, "can we take him out to play in the field grandpa?" So shall I take grandpa to outside? And now grandpa was saying, "Of course, yes, sure, children, but you should be." And now grandpa was warning to every friends, and very much, but you should be very careful because this lesson is being safe. So grandpa in this 3 sections, and advising, requesting and ordering, all the 3 was doing. And you should be careful while walking in the road and crossing. First, he is saying first safety rule on the road. The grandpa is warning to the friends of Prasanth, while you are walking on the road, you must be very safe to cross the road. And now Peter was saying, yes, Grandpa, yes, we know. And the grandpa was asking, how you know? By now saying, the Peter was saying, our teacher had taught us the rule of the road safety. We always follow them actively. So he strictly, very strictly, we will follow this grandpa. And now who is saying? Peter was saying, yes, we will follow this safety rule because in our school, our teacher had taught all the safety rule while walking on the road. And now grandpa good, but children, you know everything because your teacher has taught. And now, and where you walk on the road, where you walk on the road, which side of the road should you walk? So now the grandpa was asking, which side of the road you will walk? And now Jafar, the other friend Jafar was saying, Grandpa, we should walk on our right side of the road. Against the traffic. Against the opposite of the traffic. So that we can see the vehicle coming. We can able to see the vehicle coming or not. And Grandpa, good. That also you know. First you know the traffic rule while you are walking on the road. And next how to cross the road you also know. Very good. And I am sure you know how to cross the road. How to cross the road. Yes, Grandpa. And now asking Grandpa how you will cross the road. And now the other friend Mani is saying, yes, Grandpa. And we should wait until the road is clear of traffic. We should wait until the traffic, the car, the lorry and everything is there, vehicles in the traffic. And we must be clear. We will want to see and stand and see the traffic or clear or not. And we should first look, and after the road or the traffic was clear, what we have to do? We have to see the traffic, the right side of the road and left side and then right again. These three things you must see. We cross the road. What we have to do, children? We have to see the right side of the road and then left side and again we want to see the right side. And we next, if this is three sides are clear, we want to cross the road. And now Gandhi, the other friend was saying, Grandpa, we will also walk in a line, one behind the other and not in group. So he is saying, one by one we want to walk, not in a group. We should not talk, we should not laugh, we should not joke on the road. What we have to do? We have to walk in a line, not in a group. And now Grandpa good, this also you know, children. And never use a cell phone while walking on the road. And now strictly warning the grandpa, you should not use the cell phone while you are walking on the road. And road safety rule are for our safety. The grandpa is again saying, this safety rule is not for the other. We want to say, we want to follow the safety rule of ours. And we should follow it very strictly. So this is the section 1. In this section 1, the what is being safe, what safety rule, how we have to cross the road. And next, when we have to cross the road, what we should not do, how we should walk on the road. So these 3-4 things we will be following in section 1. Now, come to section 2 of this lesson, being safe. And before going to the second section, and we will to see the glossary. Scorching. What is it? Scorching. Extremely hot. Now second one, sunscreen. A cream or lotion rubbed on the skin to protect it from the sun. That is called sunscreen. Next one, exhausted, feeling tired. And giddy, and here having a sensation of falling down. Now, nausea, sickening, that is stomach turning. Stomach turn. So in this section 2, again the Prasant friend and grandpa was conversing. And now Prasant was saying, hi friend. Now all the friends are coming to his home and now he is greeting. And now Murthy friend, hi. We have come here to play on the shades of the neem tree. They are going to play in the neem tree now. Shade of the big neem tree. And now grandpa was saying, warning all the children, all the friends of the Prasad, escape. You need to be very careful at the sun is scorching. You know what is scorching? Extremely hot. Nowadays the summer days is the sun was very hot. Now we have to play carefully. And Mani, the next other friend Mani was saying, my mother has instructed not to play in the sunlight between 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. because it is very hot. Now he is saying, and his friend was instructing him not to play around, that is 10 to 10 o'clock morning, 10 o'clock to 3 o'clock, afternoon 3 o'clock, and after that you can play because in this 10 to 3 the sun is very hot, not to play. And now grandpa was, that's true, yes, you should not play in this between this time. But you also need more physical activity. You need, your body have to be very, very strength, and we want to be very active means we want to play in the sun also. And hence play the sun. And now take breaks by going indoor or moving to places with stroke. So what we have to do, we should play during under the sun because our body and skin will be very active and body also very active, so that you want to play. And now can we put sunscreen before going out in the sun? We is saying, the Sam, one of the friend was saying, before going into the sun to play, we want to apply the sun, that is sunscreen, lotion, cream. We want to protect the sun because sun is very important to us. Our body will be very active, so that we want to play. The grandpa was saying. So Sam was saying, yes grandpa, before going into the sun to play, we want to apply cream, lotion and all, cream and all in our body, so that we want to protect from the sun. And now grandpa, I am now, yes, and Prasanna was saying, grandpa, I am feeling very, what is that, exhausted, feeling tired. So Prasanna was saying to grandpa, I am feeling very tired on playing this because very hot, extremely hot in these days. And grandpa, oh, it is very hot, so that you are feeling very tired. And not only that, and cannot cool itself, and we want to be very to get the sunstroke. What is the sunstroke meaning? And now we will very hot in this, we will get some burning, some woman doll. And now Prasad, how will I know if I am getting sunstroke, grandpa? And because Prasad was saying, I am feeling very tired, extremely tired. So grandpa was saying, yes Prasad, you will get a sunstroke. And for that, one day, because Prasad doesn't know what is sunstroke, the meaning and all. So he is asking, what is the meaning of sunstroke? And how we can identify we got sunstroke. So the grandpa was saying, be sure to tell, adult you have feeling hot, have you headache, feeling that is giddy and lost? Giddiness, because if you have, we will be attacked for sunstroke mean, we will get headache, giddy, not only that, Nausea means sickening, that is stomach was turning, and all these things we will be know if we got sunstroke. Prasad, the grandpa was saying. So Jafar, I like to play outdoor game than indoor game. So we see. So grandpa then really too nice. Yes. Because in the indoor game, we will sit inside in our home and we will play. And in the outdoor game, we will be play in the air we can have, and not only that sun and all the things will be there. And these things should be called that, what is that? Street smart. And going outside and playing environment comes from to know. We can know all the environment. Hot, cool, everything. This is called street smart. So in the section 2, we will see how to play way to play, how we have to play with safety, and what are all called, what we have to apply, and how to get sunstroke, and what are all that is a symptom of sunstroke, and what is street smart. Street smart. If we want to play outdoor game, we can have all the environment knowledge. So that is called street smart. Now come to third section of this lesson. So before that we will go to this lesson sections glossary. First one is fertilizer. Fertilizer means chemical or natural substances added to land to increase its fertility. That is called fertilizer. Now antifreeze, a liquid that can be added to water to lower the freezing point. That is called antifreeze. And hazardous, risky, dangerous. And the fourth one is emergency, often dangerous situation requiring immediate action. So in the section 3, also conversation between grandpa and all the friends of Prasad. So now in this section, now the friends are asking and how to be very safe in our home. And not only that, what are all the things you should follow and what we should not do, we should not use some dangerous things in our home. So you know students, we should not often use and uselessly use knife, scissors and all. Whenever it necessary, how we have to use it, we have to follow it. So this thing. And next in this section, from Raghu, that is a friend of grandpa, he is calling to grandpa. And now that time, one of his friend of Prasad was taking his grandpa's phone and picking his grandpa phone and hand over to his grandpa. And now he is saying, this is very good phone, this is a smartphone. And now they are talking about phone because the phone is very useful nowadays. All we can do from this phone, project, everything. And how to use internet also they are talking in their conversation. In the internet we should not use our personal information. And cyber safety, they are talking about cyber safety also. And photos, occasion plans, we should not reveal in the phone. Through phone, we should not talk to our relatives also. And occasion plan also, we should not talk. We should not display the photos also. And now these things should be avoided while we are using internet in the phone. They are talking. And next thing, how we have to use the medicine piles, and now that is the pills of the tablet, and how we have to use and how we have to safely keep in our cool places in the fridge. And these things we are talking in the section 3 of this lesson. And we should be always safe while we are using anything in our home. And all the children are thanking grandpa's advices, and grandpa also saying, so this is a very long time and now the time is going up and now you will go to your home and tomorrow we will talk nicely and we will talk about more things tomorrow. Then he was sending all the friends to their homes. And now these and all we have to leave there. The meaning of the lesson is being safe. We should be safe while you are in your crossing the road outside, during the time of playing, and during the time in your home also. All we have to be very safe and be and live your life happily, because these things are all very dangerous. We know these things we will do it very dangerous. What we have to do? We should not do it. We should avoid it. Otherwise, we will be very careful. These things. So then your life will be very safe. Very happily we can live.